While I've been wrapping up work, Andy has been bringing floorboards up to acclimatize. So we will finish painting tomorrow when the paint gets here, and hopefully by Saturday we can start putting those bebés down. So we're just gonna go eat some dinner real quick, and then the skimming. Next trick.
Oh, you ready?
Yes. For our next trick, we're going to harvest a shallot.
But first, a word from our sponsor.
Aw, Loki, you are disappointed.
Watch as he starts barking now.
Probably.
Anyway, let's say there and there and there and okay, do a few more.
This would be so much easier if we didn't have cats and foxes that tried to poop in the planters. Oh, there's your
the word from our
sponsor.
sponsor. Jeez.
Dun, dun, dun. Is it ready to harvest?
Well, it doesn't really have a choice. The question is it going to come out without exploding?
That I couldn't begin to tell you. Just give it a good yank.
Yes, that seems like a way of getting all the green top off and not all the frills. Yeah, like Loki agrees with me. Woof. You put £15 on buying a Goram new set of spade and that, and apparently I'm gardening with a stick.
Yep, I was wondering. Oh,
I mean,
all right. I mean, we grew a thing.
a nugget of purest
Shallot.
I mean, it might actually be garlic. Not certain.
Could be garlic. Let's be honest. I don't really remember what I planted in there. These many months ago.
Hang on. To the sink cave.
Okay. Now what does it look like? Possibly garlic, possibly a shallot.
I think it's garlic. It's got the sort of a more lumpy countenance than I mean,
Yes, I would say that is indeed a garlic. Well, there you go,
having given it a
kids.
sniff, yes, that's garlic.
Yay, we have
Now-
fresh garlic.
Now, if I understand right, it needs hanging up to dry.
Well, yes, preferably. You're too close to me.
Yeah.
Would it? Preferably, don't tear everything off. We would have enough to braid them. So we'll have to see.
I think it's probably still a bit early.
Yeah, so we'll have to see if we
can.
can.
We have to cut the roots off. But yes, I think braiding together is what you're probably supposed to
Yep.
do. We're going to do the oh my god, you're a man, stop trying to pretend you know how to braid, and then we'll hang it up in the cupboard.
Okay. And then we'll do some research.
Yes.
How exciting. I'm going to go skim some.
Yes, then I'm going to go water some stuff.
Cool beans.
Um,
Reconvene later.
Indeed we will.
Bye.
I realise that filming the starting point is not particularly helpful when showing how many floorboards have been moved, but that was about 2/3 bigger earlier.
You said filming the starting point.
Yeah, they started here. And they've gone up there. No, gone up there. That's more accurate. So, I'm technically correct.
I guess. once again, I've spent an hour and 10 minutes doing a really stupid thing that I probably should have done about 6 months ago. So when we peeled the wallpaper and the paint off this room, we didn't go all the way up to the top. I'm sure it made sense at the time. Maybe we still had the picture rail up or something. But it was just really a single layer of chalk paint straight onto the cement. So I've had to chip it all off. I've made an absolute mess in here yet again. Obviously, didn't get to skimming. I think what I'm going to do on the rest of this is just put some stripper up, cover it with cling film, pull it off. Because given how long it took me to do just that little spot, I can't quite imagine doing that for the whole rest of the room. I mean, that's a good 5 hours of work if everything goes right. So, whatever. We're out tomorrow night, so this is all just gonna have to wait till Friday, but at least the paint for the yellow room should be here tomorrow. So I think what we've decided to do is we're just going to finish painting the yellow room, hang the curtains up in the yellow room so it's not so hot during the day, and we're just gonna put the bamboo floors in there. And then sometime Sunday, hopefully we can just move everything from this office in there, blitz it, and then basically do the same thing in here. Skim, mist coat, paint, floors. It just can't be easy, can it? Oh well, we'll see you this weekend and we'll have, hopefully some better luck.